Hi guys, you are watching Mel's Scuba World on YouTube. So today I want to be talking about snorkels as part of diving kit. So where I used to work and from all these years of teaching, it is very important to have a good behavior, and you as a professional show a good example to all divers because they do follow our behavior. So for me personally, I still have my snorkels with me wherever I dive, and I guess basically I have also been trained before that I work in a dive centers that it's a CDC center, it's an IDC center, so they have standards of operating that we follow, and then definitely something that is good, and I do carry it forward into my lifestyle of diving when I teach and when I dive, period. So in terms of snorkels, I do want to talk about first the colors and the shape of it. So if you see these are the type of snorkels that we usually give it to open water students or when you go for training, because it's more like solid and easy for you to do your blasting. So whenever you had to do the skills snorkel to regulate the exchange with your face down, where this type of snorkel will help you and practice it until you get it right. But the real snorkels for diving that is correct is this one with the flexible hose. So again, yeah, you see the shape is different, right? Okay, and because this one, when you go diving, definitely when you start diving, it can wobble around with the water movement, so it's not really on your face so much, instead of like feeling like poking. But still, this one is not that bad diving. It's just that to make sure that it's easier class for you, so we use this one until you get the strong blasting like a whale. Then of course, for your own equipment for diving, definitely this snorkel is the one that you want to buy. But do make sure practice and stronger blasting. But whenever you want to blast, make sure that your head position is really looking down and streamlined and looking at the bottom of the sea. Or if you practice in the pool, look at the floor of the pool to make sure that it's straight, then it's easier for you to blast. So another tips about this kind of flexible hose for snorkels, you can just hold it like that a bit, okay, and do your blast, so that for sure you're keeping it in that position, okay, and making sure it's really straight, not like this. Okay, so what happens if you blast it when your face is down looking at the bottom of the floor? Okay, your face needs to be straight, right? Not like that, so that whenever you blasting, it's always a little bit leftover water here. Then you'll feel like it's always wet breathing. Okay, so remember, as a diver, this is why we do the skill snorkel to regulate the exchange, so that you get the position of the head and your body is all correct, so that you don't drink too much water when you do the skills. Okay, so in terms of, okay, we talk about the shape, we want to talk about the colors. So this one actually doesn't have any color on it, so it's all black, and where this one is red and this one is blue. So for me, if you do want to get a snorkels, I do pick like a little color, okay, because you never know if it's choppy waves where you need to breathe from your snorkels, and then you like a little dot in the water, right? It's all black. At least you have some color so that people see what is that color, what is that. It's probably a diver or a snorkeler that basically is breathing with it, right? And they can see you, yeah. So that's always good to have, and especially if you want to go for snorkeling, of course you take this one right here with you. So if you don't wear like a life jacket for visibility purposes for boat, at least you have these. When you snorkel around, at least you have some color for a little visibility, okay? So in terms of snorkels, shape and colors, I want to talk about the snorkel keeper. So this one that I have here, it's really recommended for me. Just buy this an accessory in your dive shop or dive center. they sell it very super cheap, and basically it's secured really good. And this is why for me, I mentioned this because we do not want to lose things under the water, because you have no idea how many snorkels I have collected underwater because this snorkel keeper. So this type of snorkel keeper is so easy to just assemble like that, right? And then when you have it on your mask, so let me show it to you. It's basically you just get in there like that, okay? So snorkelers also, they do use this kind of snorkel keeper, and this is why a lot of snorkels ended up in the sea, because of this system. So I don't really suggest this system, okay? I would change it because it's definitely easy to lose your snorkel when you snorkel or diving. Okay, you will drop it in the sea because of, again, it's so easy to just get it out. Yeah, see this? Okay, just like that. Where this one is more secure like that. So yeah, it's like that. It's a little bit of tricky a bit here. So you just put like this one hole inside the snorkel like that. Okay, see, it's take a little bit more time, and it's because it's securing it better. And then the other strap, you just do it like that, go around it and get it in there. Okay, all right. So yeah, this system, I love it. Okay, so I really suggest for divers to think about their equipment. Do email me personally or message me on Instagram, whatever not. If you do need some diving advice before you buy your equipment, I can always suggest you and give you advice in person if needed. I don't mind. Just contact me under my description below of my video, and I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Or you can check out on the URL underneath my description to also shop for diving related stuff. Thank you so much, you guys. That will be it for today about snorkels. Till then,